how to show battery usage on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, okay, go to settings. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to battery lab. Okay, you can tap this. Here in battery lab, you can see here the battery settings. Okay, you can tap this. In battery settings, in battery and power section, you can see here the battery usage. Okay, you can tap this to show the battery usage. So this is the battery usage since last full charge. So okay, you can see here in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So battery usage since last full charge. So battery usage data will be available in a few hours once fully charged. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully showed the battery usage on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.